Good morning, Naked Fine family. It's Naked behind the camera, Naked Clear Heels, getting things in, bringing the true meaning to Naked Fine. Anytime you can wear shorty shorts like this, quads, hamstrings, glutes just popping, you know everything is all good. Anyway, Clear Heels is representing a multitask exercise from the TRX. She is working single deltoid presses with a dip squat, getting that extra irritating line between the top of the hamstrings and bottom of the glutes. And she's throwing in a lovely trunk rotation. So she's hitting obliques, deltoids, abductors, adductors, quads, glutes, and hamstrings, all in one seemingly fluid exercise. Much love to you all, and we'll see you at 3 o'clock at Colony Square.